What's up, all you YouTube space? Welcome back. Today we have another epic opening. I was so excited about my pools from the first 25th anniversary display that I opened that I decided I'm gonna do another one. And so here we are. We're about to open up another display of the 25th anniversary. If you haven't seen that video, right after this video finishes, go watch that first one. Guaranteed epic pools. I promise you. Alright, let me say, let's get into it. I'm holding this one, so we're gonna open it. We're gonna do all the packs first, and the promos are gonna come last. I can get a blue eyes in here. Definitely can't get a blue eyes. I'm also gonna have to bear with me today, guys. I'm gonna be learning a new holding technique here. We're going from the top, so I might be a bit slower. Yumi. King Fog. Turtle, Tiger, Machine Conversion Factory, and oh wait, no, it's after this one, isn't it? Yes. Twin Pronged Attack and oh, Mountain. So this is Metal Raiders. All right, we got Rock Ogre Grotto number 1, Jinzo number 7. Let me tilt it up a little bit. Empress Judge, the Little Swordsman. Oh, Shadow Ghoul and Roaring Ocean Snake. Cause like I'll be honest, that first display opening had me so hyped. Like I pulled like Jinzo. I pulled Vanquished. I pulled so many good cards. Shadow of Eyes, Steel Ogre Grotto number 2, Overdrive, Reign of Mercy, Magic Drain, Deep Sea Warrior. What we got here? Dark Crisis. Dark crisis. There's a crisis. It's dark outside. Muster of the Dark Scorpions. Ray of Hope. Thousand Needles. Fairy of the Spring. Metalizing? Is that what it says? It's hard under the lights. Yep, Metalizing. And Rodora. This is a spell ruler. Can I pull 1,000 eyes? That'd be crazy if I got like 1,000 eyes. That would be loco. I want 1,000 eyes to go with my relinquished. Let's see here. Octoberser, Curse, Final Destiny, Twin Long Rods, Giant Rat. Giant Rat's iconic. And Molten Destruction. Sometimes the good stuff waits till the end. You know, it waits to make its big entrance. What was this, by the way? This is Invasion of Chaos here. Okay, it's the Invasion of Chaos. Let's see here. Blasting the Ruins, Sylphid, Hyper Hammerhead, Dawn, Chain, and Fenrir. Let's see here. We got Red Medicine, Succubus, Nemuriko, Hard Armor, Goblin Secret Remedy, and what? We got an Exodia the Forbidden One. Whoa. I have no clue how much Exodia is, but this is a Ultra Exodia, the forbidden one. It's gotta be some green. It's gotta be worth some green here. Nice. Oh, this is metal rulers. We're gonna know some metal rulers here. Metal ruler. Rule the metal. Mystic lamp. Cheerful coffee. Share the pain. Stem pack. Millis. Yeah, Millis. Millis. Millis and Destroyer Golem. Hey, yo! Well, it's just a head, but still. That's an Exodia. Alright. Enchanted Javelin. Radius. Yeah, Radius. Gust. Dark Bat. Light Force. Armored Glass. Draw. Hiya. Here we go. Shooting Star Bow. Dice Reroll. Battle Footballer. Des Feral Imp. Nice. And oh, we got a Guardian Seal. I definitely don't know how much this is, but this guy is Ultra. So that's nice right there. We got our second Ultra, guys. That is big money right there. These guys look so good on camera. Like the packs. Spell Ruler. Alright, here we go. Firecracking. Peacock. Taylor. Dark Witch. Mystic Tomato. And oh, nice. We got another Megamorph. Except this one isn't jacked up like the first one was. We got Spatial. Stealth Bird. The hero emerges. Destruction Ring and oh, Black Tyranno. I used to have this card, I feel like, as a kid. Man, it's really taking me back here. That's our third Ultra, guys. Or fourth Ultra. Nice. Maybe I'll make one in Master Duel. Just relive my childhood. Some more. Hey, shout out to my boy Skull Servant. Dissolve Rock. Vile Grims. Beast Fangs. Armed Ninja. And oh, is that a yeah, it's a Ultra. It's an Ultra. That's like a gnat or something flying around. It's an Ultra Dark Hole. No, I take it back. It's a Super Dark Hole. My bad. The lettering is hard to see in the camera. This is a Super Dark Hole, but that's a Super Dark Hole, man. That's going to binder. I don't care. This is Metal Raiders. It's Dark Hole, guys. You know, you got to feel the love from the Dark Hole. What's this? Kaminari. Protector. Jirai Gumo. Harbor Lady. Starboy before Starboy. And oh, Catapult Turtle. I say Capture Turtle. Catapult Turtle. Yes, sir. Hiya. Hiya. Oh, that was a bad tear. Bad tear. Okay, here we go. We got Cyber Falcon, Girochin, Time Seal, Attack and Receive, Mega Morph. I mean, not Mega Morph. Morphing Jar number 2, and something had to give, I guess. Some crap on the back of this one. This one's kind of like beat up on the back. I don't know if the camera can see that. I don't think it can. Ray of Hope, Archfiend's Oath. Oh, there we go. Maju, Shadow Knight, Archfiend. Oh, almost. Well, push that back down there. Dark Bishop and a condom. Another spell ruler. By the way, like when we get to the promos, like I am missing Slifer and I'm missing the Dark Magician, so I need those two. And whatever else I get after that will just be gravy on top. Giant turkey. Ancient One. The Reliable Guardian. Whiptail Crow. Shining Angel and Banisher of Light. The light. Getting more neat. The more openings I do, the neater and, you know, I feel like better I'm getting. So, hope you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and the notification bell and leaving comments and yeah, do all that fun stuff. Oh, Jama Yellow. Gaiga. Chop Man. Pinch. Getsu. And Chaos Drift. I pulled that Exodia though, so that was pretty wild. I don't know how much Exodia is, but this one. But hey, we got an Exodia. No chance I'm pulling all 5 pieces, but still good to see an Exodia. Succubus Knight, Enchanting, Rise Body Heat, Raise Body Heat. Fire Yarrow. Stop Defense. And oh no! Wow! It's a Trihorn Dragon. That's hard. That is too hard right there. Metal Raiders. Metal Raider. Do you play for the Raiders? No. Okay. Tungyo. Fairlamp. Cocoon of Evolution. Oh, Labyrinth thing. Oh, Robin Goblin. Nice, iconic. And Crawling Dragon. Nope. I don't want to sing anymore. I don't want to get copywriting if I ever, once I get monetized. Not if I ever, whenever I do. Gonna be like, you sung this Linkin Park song here. We're gonna strike it from the record. They're like, oh no, I need money. Anyways, Enhanced Javelin. Invasion to a Dark Sleep. Invitation to a Dark Sleep. Ground Collapse. Time Seal. Morphing Jar number 2. This is my second Morphing Jar number 2. What if he's worth anything? And Sword Knight Crisis. We got Dark Crisis. We got Dark Crisis. Okay, we got Ray of Hope. Twin Swords. Guardian. Chaos. Mephist. And Oh, we got another secret. We got Vampire Lord. Secret rare. Ridiculous right now. I'm not getting anything like I said I wanted to get, but I'm also getting stuff I didn't know I wanted. So there you go. Turtle Oath. Yumi Ruka. Snake Fang. Oh, Cyberjar. And we got another relinquished. Whoa, what's the probability we draw another relinquished? We pull another relinquished. That's wild right there, guys. That's just wild. Invasion of Chaos. Hiya. Hiya. Oh, been another card anyway. Jade Insect. Ojama Black. Spirit of the Pot of Greed. Sea Serpent. Getsu. And Self-Destruct Metal Raiders. Metal Raiders. Alright. Musician King. Tremendous Flame. Blue-Winged Crown. Big Eye. Mask of Darkness and Mystic Horseman. Oh yeah, I think isn't Thousand Eyes in here? I think 7's complete. You know what? I'm feeling something on this pack, guys. I think we're gonna get a big one. We're gonna get a big pull on this one. I don't know, something about that 7's complete. Alright, we got 7's completed. Steel Ogre Grotto number 2. Thousand Eyes Idol. Mystic Robe. Nobleman of Extermination. And oh, we got a super backup soldier. Legend of the Blue Eyes. We got Yumi, Mystic Sheep number 2, Beast Fangs, Armail, Stop Defense, and Sandstone. Dark crisis, such a crisis. A deal with the Dark Ruler. Archfiend's Oath. Dragged Down into the Grave. Maju. Dark Bishop Archfiend. And Arsenal Robert Ruler. Everything else has been opened. Alright. Pretty good so far, though. It's been pretty wild. Ceremonial Bell, Penguin Knight, oh, another iconic card. Tailor of the Fickle, Stone Ogre Grotto. Oops. Well, I guess we know Mother Grizzly and Magic Labyrinth. Right. John Yellow. DD Borderline, Witch Doctor of Chaos, Pinch Hopper, Lakunga, and Tower of Babel. That's funny, look at that, it's kind of jacked up on the end there. Without revealing it to myself and to everyone else out there in YouTube space. We're just gonna power through these because we already know what these guys are. So We're just gonna get right into the meat and potatoes here. Slifer. Wing Dragon of Raw. I'm gonna have to put these over here. Wing Dragon of Raw. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Dark Magician. And oh, there's a red eyes too. I forgot about red eyes. And come on, be a Slifer. Oh, well, it's not a Slifer, but I do need this card. Okay, now we're only missing the Slifer. Look at that guy. That's too ridiculous. Actually, that like ripped from the bottom upward works pretty good, actually. Interesting. We got Obelisk the Tormentor. Slifer. Wing Dragon. Blue Eyes. Dark Magician. Red Eyes. And oh, it's Blue Eyes. This is my second Blue Eyes. Yep, I can't be mad at that. Going through this. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it in there because I've already revealed it to myself, guys. But there we go. We got ourselves a complete set with Slifer. No. So just did it like 50,000 times. Alright, we're just gonna power on through these guys until we get to what we want to see here. Right, guys, and what do we get? Another Dark Magician. Arm up. And oh no, it's red eyes. And it's another red eye. I have a whole playset of Red Eyes Black Dragon. Alright guys, we're just gonna go through our haul here. We got Blue Eyes. We got a Slifer. We ended up getting a Dark Magician to complete everything. And we got another Red Eye. We got a whole playset of those guys. We got another Dark Magician. We got Backup Soldier. Super. We got another Relinquish. Relinquish is like, oh, it's zooming on the wrong thing. I gotta get you guys in a frame. It's like a squirrel. My camera's like a squirrel. It's got squirrel vision. It's like, what is it? Over there. Anyways, we got a Relinquished. We got a Vampire Lord Secret Rare. I don't even know how much that one is. We got a Tri-Horned Dragon. Don't know how much this guy is either, but he's probably worth some dough. We got a Super Banisher. We got a Super Capture Turtle. We got a Super Dark Hole. That's wild. We got a Ultra Black Tyranno. That's too hard. We got a nice, pristine, clean Ultra Megamorph here. We got another Ultra Guardian Seal. And of course, almost last, there's one card after him, but we got Exodia, the Forbidden One. And we got a Mudora. Nice. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do more awesome openings. That being said, I will see you in the next video. Peace.